sunshine I need, angels I need. Something good that I need, blue skies I need.
The sleep, like, it's kind of life-changing.
My mom gave me 2 pieces of butter.
Yeah, she wants it back.
Oh, this thing is burning me. I want that hot water bottle with the cover. It burns. You could put, like, I guess a t-shirt over or something, but, like, seriously. Seriously. Oh. Still got the Hawaiian goodies.
I was gonna try like
My voice is like
one of them today.
Yeah.
Which one should we try?
And so my vloggies, my subscribers, there is passion fruit, the lily koi, and then there is pineapple coconut. There's chocolate macadamia nut, which I love chocolate covered macadamia nuts. And there's strawberry guava.
We didn't put that.
Which one should we try today? Vanessa, which one should we try today? Strawberry.
She doesn't know.
Oh, shit. Hey Valerie! There's a Lee Hing Mui challenge. I think it's with the powder.
What do you guys do with this?
I have no idea.
Oh, you didn't.
No, we didn't open it. I don't know. It's something about it. Maybe it's crushed seaweed.
Prepare sesame seed and seaweed.
Are you supposed to put that on top of rice or something and eat it?
You can mix it with rice. I like seaweed.
Me too.
Eyeball candies.
I said that they look like dragon eggs. This tastes good. This one. But like, it tastes different. Like, you have to get used to it a little bit. These foods taste so different.
Okay, what do you guys think?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go eeny, meeny, miny, moe. My way. My way. Mix them up first.
Okay.
So I don't land at.
I don't even know if it's looking at us. I'm already ready.
Eeny, it's my way. I say eeny, meeny, miny, moe. I love mommy, so do you. Tic-tac-toe. I'm kidding.
Oh my gosh.
I'll just do regular. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Cat. Okay.
It looks like it's in the same order. Is it in the same order? Oh my gosh! Look, they're doing the powder thing. So I guess you're supposed to eat it just like that.
Play live, and so once next year,
Leftover.
and so you know, I've got to put it together.
I hope it does. One way or the other. It's called Jimmy Page, and it is in stores now. It's really, really good. I urge you to buy this.
We're gonna be going to Market Basket.
Market.
Valerie, your hair looks like it's supposed to be a flower blooming.
Yay, I guess.
If you want it,
Take it. I should have said it before. Try to hide it. Fake it.
you lock the door.
Hold this.
Holden.
You missed it, Vicky.
What?
I tripped.
Dang it! I wish I could have caught that. There's an AT&T store, and look at the Christmas trees. I love it when they put those up. They're so cute. We're gonna be going inside Market Basket. So what are we getting?
Crazy kid.
What are we getting?
I know what we're getting.
What?
We're getting turkey, corn, gravy.
Oh, we're doing all the shopping today? Oh.
We're getting sugar cookies.
Yeah.
I was gonna be like, wait, what? Okay. Well, we're gonna be inside, so we'll meet you there. Keep going.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Hey. I'm getting papers. Look at me now. Look at me now.
Oh my god.
You must be glad to have a sister like me.
So Valerie's looking for something to make, and she's storming off. And I'm gonna look for tea. Thinking about this, you guys, but I don't know, I've never tried black tea before. I'm gonna try it, just in case it might be good. Hey Valerie! You think this is a good try?
What?
You think this is a good try? Vanilla chai, black tea?
Is there another vanilla chai?
I don't know. You wanna help me find?
No problem, thank you.
Chai green, not vanilla chai. You
So
want
can
lemon
you
ginger?
first have?
Worth a try.
So I think I'm going to try vanilla chai and French vanilla from Bigelow. I don't know. You guys know I need to get out of my Lipton phase. So Jen just gonna try new things. Alright. This is our dessert.
Glitter gel.
Glitter gels?
Yeah.
That's cute.
It's edible too.
Now we are going to be on our way to Bed Bath & Beyond. Right, Valerie?
It's BBB. It's a BBB.
It's the BBB. So Valerie and Vanessa ran off. Hey guys, we're home now. And I am going to just heat this tea kettle up.
Jeller, making jeller, making jeller.
Oh yeah, and if any of you guys have a market basket near you or whatever, check if they're doing anything because they gave this free to the customers, which is really cool. It's awesome.
For jeller. You can use it for ice too.
Yeah, you could. So I got these two. I purchased a vanilla chai and a French vanilla Bigelow black tea thing. And I'm going to try the vanilla chai because I love vanilla chai and I'm always looking for a tea that would taste good. Because my Lipton teas, they're awesome and everything, but you know, it's time to try something new. Bam, bam. So this is what one packaging looks like. Steep 4 minutes. We hope our tea delights you. Steep 4 minutes. Ingredients are black tea, spices natural, and artificial flavors. Tea is a gluten-free beverage. Awesome. Okay. Interesting. Vanilla chai. It says it right there. Where's the box? With the Bigelow logo behind it. Give me the box. The box right there. And I'm just going to pour it in. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells like vanilla chai. Smells like Jello. Hopefully it tastes very good. What, a Jello? Both. Oh. I don't think it tastes that amazing. Whatever. Like sneeze.
Because it connected to my nose a little and it was like, and it connected to my throat.
Look at the soon-to-be Jello. Right now it looks like Jello, but it's not.
Look
It's
at the bottom.
liquidy.
Look at the bottom.
Let's look at the bottom. Oh wow! That looks so awesome. Vanessa made me noodles and put it in my favorite bowl.
What? October 5th?
Bella's making me an ice cream sundae. And I just started watching Mystic vlogs. I love him and Bella though. They broke up on July 26th on their vlog, but this is September 10th and they're out on a date.
18, so...
She looks older than 18.
And no, she doesn't have a baby. They were babysitting a friend's
But,
baby.
you know, I'm happy for her. She got to get a workout plays, right? And if you guys are wondering, why are you guys doing that? Because, you know, people need space, right? You know, and she always has her friends.
Valerie just made me an ice cream sundae.
You don't want sprinkles?
No.
I want sprinkles.
If you can sprinkle some peppermint, that'd be awesome, but that's too much work.
This is water. It's pouring water.
You could? Okay.
Right? Yeah. End of the day. Yeah. And,
They're not bad to me.
I was like,
You're gonna take it all out.
It's good. It's good that you have none for ice cream.
you got it so far.
There you go.
Love her too. I mean, you know, I'm just trying to
Oh gosh, Valerie.
What did I tell you?
hating on your boy. Gatorade, small bag of Jesus.
Yay!
I gotta ease over your chin.
It's a lot of peppermint though.
I only got one.
Hey guys, I'm in the dark right now, but it's like, you know what, let me use my laptop for like light. This is the brightest it could go. Well, I took like a nice nap. It's 4:21 right now. We gotta go to the laundry. And I have no idea where my dark green sweater went. And I have it in my clothing haul for 2014 on the Thaminator talks, but I honestly don't know where it went. I gotta use my money now.
That's a real piano.
Hey guys, so we are going to go to the convenience store with Valerie and I, if you can see her. But Vanessa wants a can of Sprite and also a Slim Jim if we could, but I'm pretty sure we could. And yeah, all my money from working gone. So we got some things, some Airheads, Slim Jims, a Sprite, and I got orange strawberry. I've never tried this before, so I'm going to try it right now. Alright, let's try this. Are you supposed to shake it first?
I know the pants.
It says this contains 5% juice. I thought it was all juice. Oh, it says to shake well. Shaking. This is my least favorite. Well, not out of all. Watermelon. But out of these two. This tastes good. Which one is that? Orange strawberry. Have you tried it? Yeah. No. Wait. What? Is that the one you got before? Orange strawberry? Yeah, I tried it before then. I didn't know you guys had this before, so I took it so that we could try it. I mean, you could have got the green one. This is mommy's. I'm kidding. That's yours and mommy's. That's mine. That's mine. And we finished. Hey guys, so I just finished showering. Alright, now I love these. I prefer these cotton pads over the round ones. I think this just gets it done faster. Oh, and the ring that I've been wearing lately is my friendship ring that I bought one of my closest friends ever, my Kit Kat, and it's like a bow, and I have no idea where the middle gem went. Like, I have no idea. Now it just looks like, you know, two glitterati boobs. I mean, that's fine with me. She's got some big badonkadonks. But yeah, No idea where that went. This mop. Alright. I need to get another shampoo and conditioner. But once I run out of this one, I'm using Vanessa's that I bought her from New York City. She doesn't use it because it smells weird. It's tea tree and it does smell weird, but that's the only shampoo and conditioner I have right now, so I'm gonna use that. I don't usually brush my hair, but when I do, I just brush it lightly. You sharing with Vanessa? Oh, you don't want it?
I don't mind.
Then let's just split in threes. Going to be eating spaghetti, which I need to mash up, and doing an essay, eating jello, tea, and then I'm going to be watching the AMAs, which will start in like 5 minutes. 4 minutes. It's 7:56. It's America's Funniest Videos. America's Funniest Home Videos. Oh god. It's the American Music Awards! Yes, Taylor! Oh, she looks good. Lucy!
Our next artist is about to sing a song from her new album called For You. And you can grab your phone and Shazam anytime tonight for an exclusive first listen. But now, a big moment, the debut performance of a very personal song. With the first live performance of The Heart Wants What It Wants, everybody give it up for Selena Gomez.
Yay!
I felt like I didn't know him, though, and I know his heart, but I know it was deep to hurt me. But I didn't realize that I'm feeling so confident, feeling so great about myself, and then it just be completely shattered by one thing.
You got me sipping on something I can't compare to nothing. You got me scattered in pieces, shining like stars and screaming, lighting me up like Venus. But then you disappear and make me wait, and every second's like torture. Hell, no truth, no more.
Hollywood to the slums, chronic smoke, get burnt by the California sun on the west side. East Coast where you at, just got to New York like a net on a jet to London. Brazil to...
Oh my goodness, you guys. I finished homework and it's 11:17 p.m. and I have hiccups again. Oh my goodness. And my chest hurts so bad. Like my breathing is like getting so much worse, and these hiccups don't help because it's hurting my chest. Like, I can't, I don't know, I feel like I can't do a full breaths. And when I try to, it just hurts my chest, like right here. And that's the middle, it's not my boob. It's right at my sternum. Right at this area, right here. Oh, that hurts. This has been happening for years now, and I know the exact moment. I don't know the exact day, but I know the exact moment when I started breathing like this. It was horrible, and I was a very dramatic kid, and so like I'm like kind of like the girl who cried wolf and literally cried because I'm a drama queen. And so I was like, hey, I'm kind of like breathing really difficult. I feel like I'm breathing difficult right now, and we had to do the laundry in our room. And Vanessa was like, oh, stop messing around and do the laundry. But I seriously felt like I was having a hard time breathing. It hurts. It still hurts. Okay, well, guys, I'm just gonna, oh god, it hurts. Well, I'm just gonna end the night here, so I'm gonna go to sleep, and this vlog is like an hour long. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it over 15 minutes. Maybe I will, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching.
No more special guard.
Me grandma.
Oh, I love this. I love this.
With my grandma.
Special guard.
Hey, you
I don't like dark
You want
chocolate.
to switch? You want to switch?